Hey guys, what's going on? It's Gun Collector 87. If you remember in that Taurus G2, we fixed the magazine release. Had a pin, a spring. You saw this gun around the outside of the work area. So this is Ruger ec9s 9mm. This is a good friend of mine's, and I think this gun was given to him. Said it wouldn't work, and after we got through inspecting it, looking around, and you can see all these parts and pieces we was missing. Transfer bar, takedown plate, takedown lever, a magazine or a safety and a spring. Everything else was fine. Nothing missing on the slide up here. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start up at the top with our transfer bar, guys. I actually could not find one of these. I had to go on eBay. So what you're going to do is slide it in this little area here. This spring has to go under this. So just bring her down, boom, and that's all you got to do on that. We're going to flip her over to this side. So our next business is our takedown lever. This notch is going to line up to that bigger hole, but it also has to go underneath this spring. So tell it you're the boss and push it up under there. Grab it with your fingernail if you can. Boom, slide it right in. Next we're going to work our safety. So let's stop for just a minute here. I'm going to show y'all something here. Something I found out the hard way. As you can tell, these safeties are different. So this one in my left hand here is for the ec9s, and it will not work in this Ruger ec9. This is part number 1389340 from Gun Parts Corporation, or Newrich. This is the same safety lever for a LC9, just a regular LC9. It will work for this. We've already tried it. So we're just going to lay it here, slides right in, but also we're going to take our tiny little pin, or spring, get right here. And it is little, guys, let me tell you. Oh goodness, can't. And it's going to sit in like that. And it is a little bit contrary. So I would definitely put your finger on it and hold it as you stick her in. This is what your safety is going to ride on. You can get that click noise from this. This is what's going to happen. There you go. That's how it sits. You got a little curved edge right here. It sits up in here. And now a little cumbersome piece. This dude will fall out every time. This is your takedown lever. Takedown plate, actually. My bad. So what you'll do is pretty much just lay it in these grooves here. You can see those little grooves right here. It's going to lay in those little notches. It's got little notches on the back side of this. And the way I found to put this in the gun a lot easier is put it all in upside down a little bit, so you ain't got to fight. You ain't got to fight your pistol, because your magazine release safety, disconnect safety, I'm sorry, will give you little issues. There you go. And we're gonna go ahead and put it all back together. We're gonna get our pins. machine. I could not find any big frame inserts. There you go. Frame insert, that's what it is, your frame insert at all. I thought I was going to have to replace all that. So real quick, when you take this apart, your pin will be through this hole, and it will be sticking through. You'll have to push this down to take the pin out. Okay, so you're going to have to push this through to get it in, and when you're done, just pop this back up like that. So line it up. There you go. And put our back piece on. Which ain't nothing pretty, that's for sure. There you go. Alright guys, that's back together. Seems to be functioning. Drop slide, looks good. We're going to check, see if it holds open. There's a strike. Reset. Reset again. We're going to check safety. Works. Safety works. And all in all, this gun should fire now. So, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Shout out to, real quick, ec9s gun repair. I'm not sponsored by them, but that's where I found the little safety spring back here. Works perfect, guys. Again, thanks for stopping by. If you have not, like, subscribe, and share, and hit the comments below. Let me know what you think. See you.